In this video we're going to draw an equilateral and an isosceles triangle. They're both an equilateral triangle is an isosceles triangle that's just got equal sides, so we'll draw one over the top of the other. First thing we need is a baseline and just make the baseline 50 millimeters long, and taking our compass we can draw an arc, second arc, and then if we join the 3 points together we'll have an isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle is any triangle where two sides are the same length. Traditionally they're drawn up that way like a pyramid. So if we wanted to draw an equilateral triangle, it's the same in all ways other than the lengths are all the same. So if we draw an arc there and there with that as our length, we've now got a point which we can join to the base on both sides, and there we have an equilateral triangle within an isosceles triangle.